Hello students, today we will be reading lesson 3 of Butterfly, Full Money's India. আমরা ফুল মনির ভারত আমাদের 3 নম্বর চ্যাপ্টার এটা পড়ব এবং রিডিং এর শেষে তোমরা কোনো রকম প্রোনাউন্সিয়েশনে অসুবিধা হলে আমাকে অবশ্যই জানাবে। হ্যাঁ, আজকে আমি এই ভিডিওটাতে শুধু রিডিং পড়ব, এক্সপ্লেনেশন যা আছে সেটা আমি পরে ভিডিওতে দেব। সবাই তাহলে বইটা খুলে বসো। লেসন 3 ফুল মানিজ ইন্ডিয়া। আর আমার প্রোনাউন্সিয়েশন শুনে তোমরা বাড়িতে প্র্যাকটিস করবে পড়া, যে শব্দের উচ্চারণগুলো অসুবিধা হবে আমাকে জানাবে। পরের ভিডিওতে আমি এটার মানে বুঝিয়ে দেব এই লেসনটা, ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা, চলে এসো সবাই তাহলে। ফুল মানিজ ইন্ডিয়া, পেজ নাম্বার 32। হয়তো নতুন এডিশন একটু চেঞ্জ হতে পারে, সবাই একটু লক্ষ্য করো। শুরু করছি তাহলে। ফুলমণি is a Santhal girl. Her house is in a village. Have you ever been to her house? There are beautiful pictures painted on the wall, both outside and inside her house. All her neighbors have painted on their doorways and interiors. There are pictures of trees, flowers, and birds on the walls and floors. Fulmani, like her elders, loves to paint on the mud walls. She uses many colors. Her teachers told her that even in ancient India, people used to paint inside the caves and on the rocks of hills. The rock paintings of Bhimbetka are more than 20,000 years old. They are red, white, green or yellow in color. Fulmani has never been to Bhimbetka to see the rock paintings of ancient men, but she has heard stories about the famous rock paintings from her teacher. One day, her teacher showed her a picture. She came to know that it was the picture of a very famous cave painting of our country. Do you want to see that painting? Here it is. This is one of the paintings found in the Ajanta caves. It is a fresco. Almost 2000 years ago, some great Indian artists painted inside the caves of Ajanta and Ellora. Our country is the home to many religions. Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism appear together in the sculptures of Ellora. Down the ages, many great artists painted inside many other temples and churches of our country. Little Fulmani is surprised to know that many of the Indian dance forms started within the temples. Fulmani is a natural dancer. She loves to dance to the rhythm of the drum like all the other members of her community. Her teacher said that folk dance is a popular art form among the various communities of India. The Punjabis love the Bhangra dance. In the same way, Dandiya is popular in Gujarat, Bihu in Assam, and Chhau in West Bengal. Fulmani loves to watch Chhau dance performed during festivals. The performers wear masks, they shake their heads and jump in the air in harmony with music. Fulmani always cries out in joy at the end of a Chhau dance performance. ঠিক আছে, আজকে আমরা এই পেজ অবধি রিডিং পড়লাম। পরের দিন আবার আমি নেক্সট ভিডিওতে কন্টিনিউ করব।